No, sir. Wise? No, sir. Wise? No, sir. Wise? Wise, sir. No, wise. No, wise. No, wise. No, wise.
Thank you. I was going to start with a joke about UKIP, but we've only got an hour, so instead we'll do the serious stuff. This week, the Iraq Survey Group confirmed that Saddam had no stockpiles of weapons, no chemical precursors, no biological agents, no plants to make them, no delivery vehicles, no capability, and no weapons. And now we're told, or as Robin Cook would say, we are now being invited to believe... being invited to believe that we got another apology from the government. I say, that's not true. Two reasons. Firstly, we did not get an apology from the Prime Minister last week, so it cannot therefore be another apology. And secondly, it wasn't an apology this week either.
Yes, once again, the government aren't apologising for their mistakes, but for somebody else's.